I'm stripping this room down, getting everything off the wall, and it won't be like this again. I won't be putting holes in the walls. I've already moved that stuff there. I got to pack up the china cabinet to roll it around. Oh, it's a lot of work just getting ready to get to where I can patch the holes. Well, everyone, it is now time to wash the big fireplace. Look at the dirt and the dust. I cannot wait to get this washed. It is drying, and it's richer looking. It is fading back out up there pretty much to what it did look like. But I know that the dirt's gone. You could smell the dust. You know how rain, you can smell the dirt going up in the air when it's raining. Well, I could smell it like that, cleaning the dirt off of this fireplace. And I am very impressed with the way the rocks look down there when they're wet. So, I am going to seal my rocks. Well, today is a little different, everyone. I have the weekend alone, basically. Kevin volunteers. Well, he doesn't volunteer, he gets paid. He works at the Arkansas Big Buck Classic every year. He's been doing it for several years now. I don't know how long they've been going on. I'll have to put that in here, but get my rock sealer and a sprayer for the fireplace, along with a different way to hang my curtains and a way to hang some pictures up on the wall without making holes, those sticky things. I'm going to look into those. And I need to get some paint samples and bring home. And I don't know if I'm going to have sunshine tomorrow or not. I hope I do, but I won't pick my living room paint color until I can really see good which side it leans to, because Kevin wants a gray, and it's not going to be the gray that's in the bedrooms. That's really light. It's barely gray, and I can't remember the name or where we got the paint we have in the living room, so I have to go look. And today's a good day to do it. In fact, it's just starting to rain. It's 47 degrees. It's 11:42. That's about as warm as it's probably going to get. I don't know. We might see 50 if we're lucky, but because of this stupid drizzling rain. And I hate it for him because he's standing out in it. He takes money at the gate. Yep. But off we go to the big box store to pay the high prices to get what I need. Yeah, and I'm not scared to do anything too. I'm gonna go higher. I don't like going high. Oh Lordy. One more step and I can reach comfortably. That guy told me it would spray. He lied. He lied. He lied. So, let me get a cup, a big brush. Hey, here we go. Darn. And I'm not close enough to reach. Okay, get this show going. This is dry. I prefer the look myself. Yep. And if y'all are wondering we've got an electric fireplace in there. I like it. I should have done it a long time ago. I think it looks fresher.